How to prevent polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS. Polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, is a common endocrine disorder, and although the exact causes are not fully understood, lifestyle factors play a significant role in its development. Here are some effective preventive measures through lifestyle changes. 1. Maintain a healthy weight and regular exercise. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial in preventing PCOS. Overweight or obesity can worsen insulin resistance and lead to hormonal imbalances. Regular exercise and a balanced diet can help manage weight and improve hormone levels. It is recommended to engage in 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise each week, such as brisk walking or swimming. 2. Healthy diet. Diet plays a key role in preventing PCOS. Avoid high sugar and high fat foods, and increase the intake of fiber-rich vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. This helps in weight management, stabilizing blood sugar levels, and regulating hormones. 3. Manage stress. Chronic psychological stress can lead to hormonal imbalances, exacerbating PCOS symptoms. Managing stress through practices like meditation or yoga can help maintain both mental and physical health, reducing the risk of endocrine disruptions. 4. Regular checkups and early monitoring. Regular checkups can help detect potential health issues early. For women with a family history of PCOS or those showing symptoms, regular screenings are essential to ensure timely interventions. In conclusion, maintaining a healthy weight, engaging in regular exercise, eating a balanced diet, and managing stress are effective ways to prevent PCOS. By actively managing lifestyle factors, the risk of PCOS can be reduced, and overall health can be improved.